Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and we will show you how to make your Animal Company game horror, right? Okay, follow me. So, you will need a big flashlight or little flashlight like he does. You're gonna have to go in here. Don't turn them on yet. Well, yeah, turn them on for now. You're gonna wanna go in this little corner. Then you wanna jump up here. Dude, no. Cyan, wrong place. Cyan. Come back out. That's the wrong place, okay? Jump up here. Sorry? Okay, then you're gonna wanna turn off your flashlight to actually see this. Then you wanna come under here. And look, you see this? This is scary, creepy, right? Right, Sam? Creepy? Yeah, this is creepy, so. And it gets way more creepier. Cyan, okay? It gets way more creepier. Yes, this thing was Cyan, so yeah. It's way more creepier when you go over there. It gets way more creepier when you go over there. Should we invest it? Okay. Let's go in the forest now. Okay, guys. We'll invest that later. Cyan, can we invest that place over there later? Okay. Come on. Let's go to forest first. But we're not going to invest sewers since we think it's scary. Oh, this is scary. This is so scary. Okay, here. Stay behind me. Why not? Oh, guys, it already turned back. Well, I guess you can't really go in first. Should we try it again? Dude, should we try it again and then go in forest? Okay. Well, that's the end of my video. Since my eyes are kind of tired, and he's gonna leave now. Oh, we're gonna add 2, 1. Another code. 7, 8. 2178. Okay. Is he here? Cyan? Oh, there you are. Okay. So, what do you think we should do today in this next video? Let's see. We should go in the forest and get some items. Here, I can give you some items. Wait, don't leave. I can get you some stuff for forest. Come here. Only I will buy a flashlight since I don't want you to waste your money, okay? Come on. So we're gonna go over here. And my headset is about to die, so we gotta go this quick. We're gonna come over in the vines. Do not touch the mines, okay? I like to do this to skip all this. I like to do this. Then just run through. Okay. Then we're gonna wanna come up here. Okay, you're gonna want to jump up here, and there's a new part. And yes, I will buy you one, Cyan. I can buy you one. Here you go. And also here, take this also. Let me take that, and then let me get my own umbrella. We don't need the flashlights anymore, though. Okay, come over here. Oh yeah, use the umbrella. Boo. Okay. Use the umbrella to walk. I'm stuck. No! I think his thing died. I think his thing died. Oh man. Well, no, I already know what you're thinking. You're thinking that, oh look, he's gonna say, This is the end of our video. Bye. No, I'm actually finally gonna be in a private code by myself. Usually my updates are like with other people. Kinda scared. But this time I'm doing this by myself. So if you haven't seen these items, go get them right now. They're fun. You can apparently be a car. You can be super fast. Ready? So what you want to do? Grab it. Like this. Ready? See? Or you could just put this on your back and then I skipped over that. And then if you're wondering if I bounce off of a high surface, will I bounce higher? I have no idea. Fuck. I mean, wait. Frog, yeah. Frog. That was cool. Okay, I guess you kind of do go higher. I guess. No. I swear, if this umbrella falls off one more time, I am ending the video. What do I want to do? It doesn't do anything else. No! This time I'm actually serious. Seriosa. Yeah, I'd rather not do this. Why am I playing right now? Okay. I just noticed that, guys. I don't have an editor, so I can't cut that out. And my video might look like kind of pixels and stuff. That's because I don't have like a camera mod or anything. Sorry. And if you didn't know, you can just apparently just fly over chicken. See? Okay. He's stuck. Get away from me. I'm not scared. He's ugly. Okay. Boing. No. Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't really have much to explain in this video since he already left. And I already know what y'all are gonna ask. Yes, I will do it one more time.